Hey, I'm Sheldon over at RV Depot Supercenter in Cleburne, Texas. Today I'm going to be showing you the beautiful Heartland Landmark 365. Come check it out. You'll notice on the outside of this, it's full body paint, so you don't have to worry about decals peeling or anything like that. Here you have a full pass-through storage. Huge, you could almost use that as another bedroom. Then you got some nice solid steps. You have an awesome outdoor television here with an awning that does come over with LED lights. Let's check out inside. Walking into the back here, it is a rear living fifth wheel. So you have double recliners here, heated massage seats, and you also have recliners here. You have a nice little coffee table, a huge TV with a fireplace to keep you warm, cool LED lights all the way around there, a big window in the back. You have a nice island kitchen here with solid countertops, a big farm-style sink. You have freestanding chairs with lots of big windows. Nice lighting. You have a huge residential style refrigerator. Refrigerator there. Freezer. And freezer. You have a nice 3-burner stovetop with a big oven. And an overhead microwave. Lots of storage in the kitchen area. Coming right over here, you have even more storage. And we'll walk up to the stairs. Washer room there. Washer and dryer, and a hanging rack. We have a nice big bathroom. The walk-in shower, porcelain toilet. Lots of storage space there. And walking into the very spacious bedroom, you have tons of walk-around space around the bed, a king-size mattress here, nightstands on both sides. You have lots of closet storage space here, dresser, and this one even has a fireplace in the bedroom, so that's super cool. And a big TV. Here you have a huge wardrobe closet. You can fit just about anything in there. This is a beautiful high-end luxury fifth wheel with 3 Whisper Quiet air conditioners to keep you cool all through the summer. If you would like to see this in person, come ask for me at the front desk. I'll get you taken care of, or give me a call at the number below. Thanks for watching.